Today's the day. Let's do this. Oh, dude, that was a big hit down there. Holy cow. That was massive. Give me a top water hit. I got frog on a lighter pole too. So if I get a hit, it's gonna feel more fun.
Yeah.
That's the fun thing about bass fishing. It's like so many different techniques and lures and styles you can do. It like doesn't get boring. You can come over here and try frog in the over here. You can go more deep water or worm or whatever.
Yeah, it's all pretty straightforward.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what the bait is, you know what I mean?
Yep.
You know what this is in whatever area.
Bass is, I mean, it's an easy fish to catch, but you just gotta know the techniques and everything, you know. Got one. He ain't that big though, but he's something. I'm actually surprised this little guy took something this big.
Yeah. Oh, girl.
Look at that.
Got him.
Oh man.
That's solid, right in that back corner.
Yep. Oh, thanks, bud. Made my job easier.
Back the spinner.
You did like it. That's the first time I've caught one on this.
Nice.
On this lure, at least. Yeah, I felt a tug at first, and then I'm like, no. And then I'm like, wait. I'm like, wait.
Right after you cast, too.
Yeah. Yeah, I put it right in that little corner, right in there.
Oh, nice.
And then, yeah, he just went for it. Freaking bass jumping right there, right as we dock. All right. Well, next time.
Oh, yeah.
Bad day of fishing still is better than a day at work.
Exactly.